Good morning and welcome back. We have completed questions from 2019. Today I'm starting the questions from 2020 paper. Match question. Gene therapy. This is related to ADA deficiency. B1. Option 3 is the only option with B1 combination. This is the answer. So I will use this question as an opportunity to revise the topic of ADA deficiency. So you can see gene therapy is for ADA deficiency. So let's understand what gene therapy is. Gene therapy is delivery of a functional gene to compensate a genetic defect due to non-functional gene. The disease which is mentioned in NCERT textbook is ADA deficiency. ADA stands for adenosine deaminase. As the name suggests, this is an enzyme. And this enzyme is extremely important for lymphocyte development. Now, lymphocytes include T cells and B cells. So any genetic defect in this enzyme is going to paralyze the whole wing, adaptive immunity of the immune system. And this leads to severe combined immunodeficiency. It is called combined because both the lymphocytes, T and B cells, are affected. And patient is extremely susceptible to infection. So treatment options are bone marrow transplant, enzyme replacement therapy. So this is the gene therapy which is mentioned in NCERT textbook. The ideal gene therapy would be introducing the genes in early embryonic stages. So I will explain you these two topics now. The first clinical gene therapy was given in 1990 to 4-year-old girl. And what was essentially done here is ADA cDNA. The enzyme cDNA was provided using retroviral vector. So lymphocytes were genetically engineered to express ADA gene using a retroviral vector that would carry the cDNA copy. The only limitation is these lymphocytes are mottles. Mottles means they cannot replicate indefinitely, and therefore a repeated infusion of these genetically engineered lymphocytes is necessary. So ideal gene therapy would be if we could correct the genes in early embryonic cells. When a stem cell divides, it forms two different types of cells. Okay, one remains stem cell, another becomes the differentiated cell. So this is how we will always have a continuous supply of stem cells with the corrected gene. This is the ideal gene therapy which we aim for.